powerful bill is pale ivory in color, giving the bird its name, and it is used to chisel away at tree bark to feed on insects and larvae. This majestic bird, native to the bottomland hardwood forests of the southeastern United States and parts of Cuba, was last widely observed in the mid-20th century. Habitat destruction and hunting were the primary factors leading to its presumed extinction. But in 2004, a thrilling development captured the world's attention when a team of ornithologists and birdwatchers reported sightings of the ivory-billed woodpecker in the swamps of Arkansas. Their discovery was bolstered by a brief, grainy video and audio recordings of the bird's distinctive calls. This find sparked hope and intense interest in the birding and scientific communities, leading to extensive searches and conservation efforts. There have been numerous reports and footage of sightings of this bird by several people since then, but there is no tangible scientific evidence. And despite numerous expeditions and advanced technologies employed in the search, there is no definitive proof of a stable population. Despite pressure to declare the ivory-billed woodpecker extinct, biologists and birdwatchers remain adamant that it still exists. Public comments from ornithologists, amateur birders, and communities that view the bird as a cultural symbol have poured in, reinforcing the hope that this majestic bird is still out there. Takahe. The takahe, a large, flightless bird native to New Zealand, was long thought to be extinct. Known for its vivid plumage and robust size, the takahe was last seen in the late 19th century, leading scientists to conclude it had fallen victim to habitat destruction and introduced predators. However, in a remarkable turn of events, the bird was rediscovered in 1948 by Dr. Geoffrey Orbell in the remote Murchison Mountains on New Zealand's South Island. The rediscovery of the takahe was nothing short of miraculous. In fact, the bird has been termed the bird that came back from the dead. Dr. Orbell, a dedicated ornithologist, had long suspected that the bird might still exist in the uncharted wilderness. His perseverance paid off when he and his team stumbled upon a small population of takahes during an expedition, demonstrating the resilience of nature. The takahe's body characteristics are distinct and have fascinated scientists and bird enthusiasts. It is a large bird, standing about 63 centimeters tall and weighing up to 3.6 kilograms. Its plumage is a striking mix of deep blue and green, with a robust red beak and stout legs. These birds have large, powerful feet adapted for their terrestrial lifestyle, and their wings, although small and not suited for flight, are used for balance and display during courtship rituals. The takahe's anatomy and fossil record suggest that it has existed for millions of years, adapting to the unique ecosystems of New Zealand. Its strong legs and large feet are indicative of a life spent traversing rugged terrain in search of food. The bird primarily feeds on tussock grasses, using its strong beak to strip away the nutritious parts of the plant. There have been numerous sightings of the bird since then, and in 2023, conservationists reported a stable population increase, with more birds being released into predator-free sanctuaries across New Zealand, ensuring their continued survival and highlighting the success of ongoing conservation efforts. Javan elephants. Historically, the Javan elephant species was believed to have vanished by the end of the 18th century due to habitat destruction and human encroachment on the island of Java, Indonesia. However, a surprising twist emerged in recent years, changing our understanding of these magnificent creatures. DNA analysis revealed that the elephants on Borneo were genetically distinct from other Asian elephants, closely resembling the Javan elephants of old. This finding suggested that the Javan elephants were not extinct, but had somehow migrated to or been transported to Borneo centuries ago. This is because the Borneo elephants, just like the Javan elephants, have several distinct characteristics. They are generally smaller than their mainland Asian counterparts, with shorter, straighter tusks and a more compact body structure. The males may only grow to less than 2.5 meters, while mainland Asian elephants grow up to 3 meters. These features are adaptations to their dense forest habitats, allowing them to navigate through thick vegetation with ease. The genetic evidence linking Borneo's elephants to the Javan elephants provided a crucial insight into their long-hidden survival. It is news that gladdens the heart to know that the Javan elephant, even if only in traces, is still here with us. However, there have been reports that the Borneo elephant is also facing extinction. Authorities are diligently working to conserve it so that it does not vanish like its Javan relatives once did. Through these efforts, we hope to ensure a future where both the Javan and Borneo elephants continue to grace our planet. Frilled sharks. The frilled shark is a fascinating creature that perfectly embodies the term living fossil. For many years, scientists thought and believed that this prehistoric-looking shark was extinct and had vanished millions of years ago. However, a remarkable discovery of this creature in 2004 off the coast of Japan, shocked the scientific community. Its physique immediately signaled its ancient lineage. The frilled shark has a long, eel-like body, measuring up to 2 meters, which is about 6.5 feet in length. Its name comes from the 6 pairs of gill slits on its throat, which have a distinctively frilled appearance. These features, along with its numerous needle-like teeth and the peculiar arrangement of its fins, are strikingly similar to those of its ancient fossilized relatives. The frilled shark's unique body characteristics provide significant clues about its ancient origins. Its primitive features, such as the placement of its gill slits and the structure of its jaw, are reminiscent of early shark species that swam the oceans over 80 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. The frilled shark's eyes can glow in the dark, emitting a greenish-blue hue. This bioluminescence helps it navigate and hunt in the deep, dark ocean depths. Only a few frilled sharks have been seen or captured since then, as they are only very rarely encountered in the wild. So little is known about their ecology. Scientists continue to study the frilled shark through deep-sea explorations and advanced technology like submersibles and underwater cameras. By doing so, they aim to uncover more about its behavior, diet, and reproduction, shedding light on this ancient species' secrets. Coelacanth. The coelacanth is one of the most extraordinary discoveries in the history of marine biology. For decades, scientists believed this ancient fish had been extinct for around 66 million years, known only through fossil records dating back to the Devonian period, about 400 million years ago. This all changed in 1938, when a live coelacanth was caught off the coast of South Africa, turning the scientific world on its head. The incredible discovery happened when Marjorie Courtney Latimer, a museum curator, noticed an unusual fish among a local fisherman's catch. The fish was sent to ichthyologist J.L.B. Smith, who confirmed it was a coelacanth, a species long thought to be extinct. Coelacanths are easily recognizable due to their unique body characteristics, which strongly resemble those of their ancient fossilized ancestors. They possess lobed pectoral and pelvic fins, which are fleshy and limb-like, a feature that links them closely to the early tetrapods and provides clues about the transition from sea to land animals. Coelacanths have a 3-lobed caudal fin and a rostral organ in their snouts, used for electroreception, which helps them navigate and hunt in the dark depths of the ocean. These fish can grow up to 2 meters in length and weigh as much as 19 kilograms, which is about 200 pounds. Their scales are thick and cosmoid, similar to those found in fossilized specimens. One of the most telling characteristics of their ancient lineage is their unique hollow spine, a feature known as a notochord, which serves as a flexible support structure. Living at depths of 150 to 700 meters, coelacanths have evaded detection for so long due to their deep-sea habitat. Now, we know why it took humans so long to find them. La Palma giant lizard. The La Palma giant lizard, also known as Galotia awaritae, once thought to be lost to history, has made a surprising comeback on the island of La Palma. For centuries, this reptile was known only from subfossils, with its decline believed to have started around 2,000 years ago, when humans first arrived on the island. The species was presumed extinct for the last 500 years, but recent sightings and photographs of these giant lizards in northern La Palma have challenged this belief. The rediscovery happened when a small population was found in a remote, rocky area of La Palma Island. These lizards exhibited distinct characteristics that match the subfossil evidence, such as their large size and unique scale patterns. Adult La Palma giant lizards can grow up to 46 centimeters, which is about 18 inches in length, making them significantly larger than most other lizard species in the Canary Islands. Their robust bodies, strong limbs, and markings helped scientists confirm their identity beyond doubt. The La Palma giant lizard's dramatic population decline is likely due to several factors, including predation by introduced cats, human consumption, and the conversion of natural habitats to agricultural land. To confirm the survival of this remarkable species, researchers emphasize the need for urgent and comprehensive surveys. The rediscovery of Galotia awaritae is crucial for several reasons. It offers a unique opportunity to study an animal once considered a relic of the past, and provides insights into the biodiversity of the Canary Islands. This finding also emphasizes the importance of conservation efforts and habitat protection, as many species believed to be extinct might still survive in unexplored or remote areas. Laotian rock rat. The story of the Laotian rock rat's rediscovery unfolded in the dense jungles of Laos, when a team of researchers stumbled upon an unusual rodent specimen that resembles a mix between a rat and a guinea pig. The Laotian rock rat, also known as the Ka Ngu, is a rodent species that was long considered extinct until its surprising rediscovery in 1996. This creature, native to Laos, had not been seen for over 11 million years, leading scientists to believe it had vanished into the annals of history. Further analysis revealed that this mysterious creature was indeed the long-lost Laotian rock rat, believed to have disappeared during the Miocene epoch. In a 2005 article by Paulina Jenkins and co-authors, who considered the animal to be so distinct from all living rodents, they placed it in a new family, Lionastidae. This is because the rat possesses several unique body characteristics that distinguish it from other rodent species. Its stout body is covered in coarse fur, ranging in color from brown to gray, providing camouflage against the rocky habitats it inhabits. One of its most striking features is its unusually shaped teeth, which are highly specialized for gnawing on tough vegetation and digging through rocky crevices. Additionally, this rat has a long, bushy tail that helps it maintain balance while navigating its rocky terrain. Its large, rounded ears provide excellent hearing, allowing it to detect potential predators or prey in its environment. Genetic studies have also revealed that the Laotian rock rat is more closely related to other mammalian groups, such as elephants and hyraxes, than to typical rodents, despite its rodent-like look. And for today's subscriber's pick, you are looking at a photograph that has left both scientists and the public baffled. Captured by an anonymous explorer, the grainy image appears to show a mysterious, large black creature prowling the depths of a rocky canyon. This enigmatic figure sparked intense debate and speculation, with some claiming it to be a remnant of a supposedly extinct species, believed to have vanished in the early 20th century due to extensive hunting and habitat loss. Sightings of black big cats were relegated to folklore and whispers among the locals. However, this photograph reignited the debate about their existence. Could this be a surviving member of the elusive black leopard, long thought to be extinct in certain regions? Or perhaps it's an entirely unknown species lurking in the shadows, evading human detection for decades. Researchers have analyzed the photograph extensively, noting the distinct muscular build and stealthy posture, reminiscent of big cats. Yet, without clear evidence, the mystery remains unsolved. So, viewers, what do you think? Is this proof of the black leopard's survival? Or are we glimpsing an entirely new species? Or could it just be one of the believed extinct animals still alive today? Let us know in the comments below. Black leopard. For years, we believed the black leopard to be extinct. However, a remarkable discovery by wildlife photographer Will Burrard Lucas in 2019 reignited interest in this enigmatic big cat. The black leopard, also known as the Black Panther in zoological terms, was once shrouded in myth and folklore, until Lucas captured stunning images of a melanistic leopard prowling through the darkness of the Kenyan wilderness. This unprecedented sighting provided irrefutable evidence of the black leopard's continued existence. Its distinctive appearance sets it apart from its more commonly spotted counterparts. Its sleek black coat, caused by a genetic mutation known as melanism, camouflages it perfectly in the dense forests and shadowy undergrowth where it resides. Despite its dark fur, the leopard's characteristic rosette patterns are still visible upon close inspection, a remnant of its evolutionary lineage. Scientists believe that the black leopard's existence dates back thousands of years, with ancient rock paintings and artifacts depicting its likeness found in various cultures around the world. In recent years, increased sightings of black leopards have sparked excitement among scientists and wildlife enthusiasts. Advances in camera trap technology and conservation efforts have led to more frequent encounters with these creatures. Scientists are eager to study their behavior, genetics, and ecological roles to unlock the mysteries of these majestic felines. Woolly flying squirrel. The woolly flying squirrel, a creature of legend and mystery, was long believed to be extinct until its unexpected rediscovery in 1994, when an American zoologist found this species in a remote valley in the Kashmir region, in the extreme north of Pakistan. Researchers immediately ventured into the rugged terrain in search of this creature. To their astonishment, they discovered a small population of woolly flying squirrels. The woolly flying squirrel possesses several unique characteristics that set it apart from other squirrel species. Its dense, woolly fur provides insulation against the cold mountain air, while its large, bushy tail acts as a rudder during its gliding flights. Unlike other flying squirrels, the woolly flying squirrel has distinct facial markings, including a dark mask around its eyes and a whitish muzzle. One of the most remarkable features of the woolly flying squirrel is its ability to glide gracefully through the forest canopy. Using its patagium, a thin membrane of skin stretching from its wrists to its ankles, the squirrel can glide for impressive distances, navigating between trees with ease. The rediscovery of the woolly flying squirrel was met with excitement and intrigue by the scientific community. By studying and protecting species like the woolly flying squirrel, we can ensure that these unique creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. New Guinea. Singing dog. The word singing in the name of the dog is not only figurative. These breeds of dogs are actually well known for their unique vocalization, scientifically termed the New Guinea singing dog. This animal resembles a wolf's howl mixed with a whale song, and was long thought to be extinct in the wild since the 1500s. This canine, native to the remote highlands of New Guinea, was believed to have disappeared due to habitat loss and interbreeding with domestic dogs brought by humans. For centuries, the only known New Guinea singing dogs were in captivity, raising doubts about their continued existence in the wild. The narrative took a dramatic turn in 2016 when a team of researchers discovered a small population of wild dogs in the remote mountains of New Guinea. This remarkable rediscovery was confirmed through DNA analysis, which matched these wild dogs with the captive New Guinea singing dogs. The New Guinea singing dog possesses distinct physical characteristics that initially led scientists to believe it had gone extinct in the wild. These include its small stature, erect ears, and unique double coat that is thicker in the cooler highland climate. Their most distinguishing feature, however, is their melodious howl, which is unlike any other canine vocalization. At the moment, it is considered to be the rarest dog species on Earth, and the few pure breeds that have recently been captured are conserved for breeding and research purposes. Scientists have promised to continue to look out for more pure breeds of New Guinea singing dogs, and inbreed the conserved ones with the other breeds of dogs. While this research is significant for greater research on the once-lost wild breed, the findings could also create a further understanding of the domestication of dogs. Cuban Solenodon. The Cuban Solenodon ranks among the top 10 most evolutionarily distinct mammals on Earth. As the last survivors of a diverse group of ancient insectivores that lived alongside dinosaurs 76 million years ago, these nocturnal mammals provide crucial insights into ancient mammal phylogeny and physiology. These animals possess distinct physical features that set them apart from other mammals. They have a long, flexible snout, venomous saliva delivered through grooved lower incisors, and a shrew-like body with an awkward, shuffling gait. Their venomous bite is unique among mammals, allowing them to subdue a variety of prey, including frogs, small reptiles, and even some rodents, in addition to their insectivorous diet. These nocturnal creatures spend their days hiding in rock clefts, hollow trees, or burrows they dig themselves. Their reclusive nature and remote habitat contributed to the belief in their extinction. For centuries, the Cuban Solenodon was thought to be extinct, with the last documented sightings dating back to the 19th century. Its decline was attributed to habitat destruction, logging, mining, and predation by introduced species like feral cats and dogs. By the 1970s, the Solenodon was believed to have vanished entirely. However, a remarkable rediscovery in 2003 proved that this unique species had survived in the remote southeastern regions of Cuba. Despite their rediscovery, Cuban Solenodons remain endangered, with their population trends unknown and no accurate population estimates available. While their venomous nature may lead some to fear or hunt them, it is crucial to understand their ecological importance and implement careful conservation measures to ensure the Cuban Solenodon does not go extinct again. Fernandina Island Galapagos tortoise. The Fernandina Island Galapagos tortoise, a unique species native to the Galapagos Islands, was believed to have been extinct for over a century. First discovered in 1906, this tortoise was thought to have disappeared due to volcanic activity and introduced species, which destroyed its habitat and food sources. For decades, no evidence of its existence was found, leading scientists to conclude it had vanished. However, in 2019, a remarkable discovery was made. A living Fernandina Island Galapagos tortoise was found on Fernandina Island. Blood samples were sent to Yale University, where geneticists led by Dr. Gisela Cacone performed an analysis. The results confirmed the tortoise was indeed a Fernandina giant tortoise, with DNA that best matched that of the other tortoise found in 1906. This female tortoise, named Fernanda, was identified by her distinct physical features, which matched those of the presumed extinct species. Fernanda has a large domed shell with a distinct saddleback shape, characteristic of her kind. Her sturdy limbs and thick, scaly skin further confirmed her species. This discovery has triggered an immediate and large-scale response to find a male mate for Fernanda to revive the nearly extinct species. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.